Here in our office with StrideCare, it's very important that we try to provide the patients with one of their best medical experiences they've ever had.
My approach to patients is always communication and listening. For me, listening and just understanding the problem and sitting down and just listening to a patient's issues and what they've gone through means a lot.
For every patient that comes through the door, I can really take my time, look at the ultrasound that the patients had done, look at where their specific problem areas are at, and then I can tailor exactly to their problem what I think is going to be the best solution.
A patient-centric approach is very important to me. It's important that we focus on the patient rather than just simply the disease. Not everybody needs to be treated the same. Not everybody needs to have the same level of treatment. And that needs to be very individualized.
So we really focus and make our treatment plans based on what that patient is presenting with. StrideCare excels in the fact that we have resources in both the arterial system as well as the venous system, and not to mention wound care and podiatry. So we're able to provide the whole gamut of care.
We have several different ways to treat venous disease, treat lower extremity disease. It's tailored in the way of what technology is going to be the best to be the most effective for each patient.
We really strive to make the procedures as painless as possible and make the patients as comfortable as possible.
There's really going to be minimal downtime, not only during the procedure, but even the days after the procedure.
Part of what's really rewarding to me doing minimally invasive procedures is that, number one, the patients can get out and almost walk out of the procedures, which is great because it takes a whole level of anxiety away. And when patients are home the same day and can walk and exercise and feel a big difference, you don't have to live in pain.
Mobility is freedom, and that's what we're trying to preserve for these patients. Their ability to walk, their ability to have a job, to have a meaningful and successful life, and even keep up with their children or grandchildren and continue to have that freedom to do so.
At StrideCare, we make sure our patients are walking in good health.